What else is in your gym bag? You might think it's just your sweaty clothes, but surprise, it's actually a thriving community of bacteria and fungi. Today, we're uncovering the invisible things hiding in your gym gear and what you can do to keep your workout routine clean and safe. Welcome to Invisible Mingle. If you love hitting the gym but want to ensure your workout gear isn't harboring any uninvited guests, this video is for you. We're diving into the bugs found in gym bags and we'll share some simple hygiene hacks to keep your gear spotless. Let's jump right in. Gym bags can become contaminated in many ways, from dirty gym floors to sweaty clothes and shared equipment. So what's hiding inside that sweaty gym bag? Let's explore some of the most common culprits. Staphylococcus aureus, a common bacteria found on skin and hair. It thrives in warm, moist environments, like your gym bag after a workout. E. coli. No, it's not just from food. E. coli can end up in your bag from contaminated surfaces at the gym or even your hands. Fungi. Mold and yeast love damp, dark places. If you leave your sweaty clothes or shoes in your bag for too long, you're providing the perfect breeding ground for fungi. These tiny monsters can lead to anything from annoying skin rashes to more serious infections, like staph infections or athlete's foot. Nobody wants that, right? But don't worry, I've got some simple tricks to help you tackle these germs. Now that we know what's hiding in our bags, how do we fight back? Let's get into some easy, practical tips. 1. Wash your gym bag regularly. Many bags can go right in the washing machine. If not, give it a good wipe down every few days to keep things fresh. 2. Clean your gear after each workout. Don't let sweaty clothes stew in your bag. Wash them right after your workout or air them out until you can. 3. Use disinfectant wipes. Keep a pack of wipes in your bag to clean the inside of your bag after a workout. 4. Separate shoes from clothes. Invest in a shoe bag or keep your shoes in a plastic bag to prevent spreading germs to your clothes. 5. Air out your bag. Once you get home, unzip your gym bag and let it air out to prevent moisture from building up. Bonus gym hygiene tips. Bring your gear. Minimize contact with shared equipment by using your yoga mats, towels, or resistance bands. Wipe down equipment. You can wipe down gym equipment before and after use. Stay hydrated. A reminder to drink plenty of water to keep your skin healthy and help flush out toxins. Remember, staying healthy isn't just about working out, it's about keeping your workout environment clean too. Follow these easy tips to keep your gym bag and yourself safe from unwanted germs. And hey, don't forget to check out our next video on germs, your pets, and you. Hit that like button and subscribe for more on the invisible world all around us.